welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are still around. It's been a year since I last made a video and I'm really excited to be back filming for you guys. But first I wanted to make a little life update because the last time I made a video was about a year ago. And a lot has happened since I last uploaded my surgery journey. I mentioned to you guys I was having surgery. I never gave you guys an update or nothing like that. So I just want to briefly touch bases of where I've been, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just know that I'm back and I'm ready to film. I'm ready to create content for you guys, and the first video that you guys will be seeing is of me decorating these shelves back here. And yeah, so I'm excited. But first, before we do that, I thought it would be proper for me to talk to you guys. I hope you guys have not missed me too much. No, but I have been doing videos here on YouTube, little shorts. They're actually reels that I have on Instagram, and then I just transfer them to YouTube to make sure that you guys are getting a little something here. But yeah, I have not made a video in over a year, and to be honest, it doesn't even feel like it's been that long. I've been so busy with life. I did have some issues with my surgeries, which I do want to sit down and talk to you guys about more in details. But overall, I'm doing well. I'm fine. I am excited to be back and just share with you guys content. As you guys know, I love home decor. I still love it, and fashion. And obviously, now that I had my surgery, I feel like my outfits look better. I mean, they did look good before, but now they look even better. And I'm excited to share that with you guys. So I do have a couple of hauls, and also we are going to be decorating together for the holidays. I feel like Halloween is around the corner. Last year I did decorate for Halloween and I didn't get a chance to share with you guys on a YouTube video. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer long videos, short videos. What is your preference? Because I feel like in today's world everyone wants shorts. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong, but I do like to sit down or share with you guys in front of the camera without having to feel the need of, oh, I need to rush. I need to get through this, video quick. I want to take my time and just do it like I used to, like the good old days where I would sit and just share with you guys my thoughts. But yeah, my kids are doing well. Rosa is already 15. I cannot believe she's 15. Diego at the moment is not living with me. He's at his dad's house, which I think he's super happy there. And also Leo is already 7. Athena is 6, and Galilea, my youngest, is 4. I looked back at my YouTube the other day. I was going through my YouTube videos and I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I shared with everyone, when Gigi was born, my pregnancy updates, my story. So when I saw all of that, I was like, I need to go back. I need to start documenting my kid before they grow up and take off. So I'm excited to be filming again. I'm definitely gonna do vlogs and share with you guys a lot of things. We went on a cruise not that long ago. I have all the clips for that, so maybe I can make it into a movie and share with you guys that. That was a really cool experience. And yeah, so I'm just really excited to be back. I'm really excited. I love the people that I would interact with here on YouTube, the friendships that I made as well. Like I said, I just been so busy with life that every time I try to squeeze in a video, it wouldn't work. But other than that, everything is good. I have a new beauty room, and as you can see, this is going to be our background, which is going to be really pretty for fashion hauls and everything else. I like it when it's empty because you can see everything, the whole outfit. But it will be full eventually, and I'm trying to figure out what kind of stuff I want to put back there. A part of me wants to put the nice stuff there, but at the same time I'm like, I don't know, let's just keep it cute. We'll see. We'll figure it out as we go. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to be creating content. I'm excited to just share with you guys all of the things that I know and that I like and that I think you guys will benefit from. I feel like this year that I have not been here on social media or on YouTube making videos constantly like I used to has made me realize so much and grow as a person. Realize that, things sometimes are not what they seem, And so yeah, I have a lot of lessons that I have learned, and I feel like that makes me stronger as a person, and I'm excited. Honestly, I'm excited to just have those experiences and learn from them and move forward, because that's the only thing you can do is just move forward. I can't sit down and just cry about things that have happened to me recently. All I can do is just put on my big girl pants and just move forward. That has always been my motto, and I'm really happy that I continue to move forward. Even in the hard times, I just keep moving forward. It's part of life. I think we have those lessons so that we can grow and evolve and reach a new level in life. So for that, I'm thankful. I'm thankful for the hard times. Believe it or not, I have always been thankful for the challenges. And I know at the moment they seem impossible and they seem like, ooh, this is never going to end. But eventually there's a rainbow down there. You know, there's light at the end of the tunnel. So yeah, even though I have had many struggles, even with my surgery, which I will go into details on a separate video, but my first surgery that I had back in May last year, it was not very pleasant. I had to go into the OR again to have it fixed 6 months after. And yeah, so it's been quite the ride, I'm telling you. And also, yeah, just my children are getting older. They're becoming more independent, and I feel like even with my little ones, I'm like, oh, I need to really cherish the time that I have with them, because it will be gone in no time, you know. And I want things to be done right, if that makes sense. And throughout the storms, I have had Evan there with me, which is good, you know, because sometimes he makes me mad. But I still love him, and he loves me as well. If he didn't love me, he wouldn't put up with all the nonsense that I bring and all the demands that I do, like this background. It was not really a demand, it was a birthday present. He gave me this for my birthday. When it comes to friendships, I have had quite the roller coaster with that topic, learning friendships, what fits for you and what doesn't. Sometimes you think, oh, this person is perfect for me, and then you come to realize that, you know what, no, we really don't have the same morals and values. So like I said, it's all been a growing experience for me. I feel like I have matured more in this past year, and you know, it's part of growing up. I'm only 35 years old, and I'm pretty sure that in the next 5 years I will learn more. I try my best to learn from my mistakes and just improve, you know, make it better. Just like I was sharing with a friend of mine, I was like, every time when I started doing YouTube, I remember I would look at myself in the videos and I would be like, ooh, I don't like the way I look, I don't like the way I sound. And as I did more videos and more videos, and I think a lot of YouTubers can relate, a lot of people that do content creating can relate, that once you start editing more and more and more, you fall in love with yourself. You learn to love yourself and love your flaws. Like, oh, I do like that, you know. And not just that, for example, if I make a video, or when I would make a video, I would be like, oh, I don't like the way my hair was, so on the next video I make sure that, oh, I didn't like that, let me make sure this time I watch out and I check on it. Life is a learning process, and I feel like if you don't have those experiences, you will never grow. So now I feel like I'm more aware of my surroundings. I feel like I can be more aware of people's intentions, emotions. You know, before I was very naive. I thought everyone was like me. Very honest. But it turns out that not everyone has that honesty, you know, principle to keep it honest and be kind. No, I'm very bold, I'll tell you that. Even though I am short, I'm only 4'11", I have a big attitude. And I don't put up with crap. Like, I just don't. That's just, I can't. And some people may see it as, what is that word? Confrontational. And to be honest, I don't mind. I don't mind if I'm being seen as confrontational or any of that. It's totally fine with me. As long as I share how I feel and express my emotions on things that I do agree or I don't agree with, I will definitely always stand my ground, and I will not shy away from what I believe is right. At first, when Diego moved to his father, it was really hard, but at the same time, I mean, that's what he wanted, and if he's happy, I'm happy for him. It is what it is. I think when he gets older, he can analyze and see both households, and you know, overall my purpose as a mother has been to, you know, raise strong individuals, strong human beings, good people for society. That is my plan, and I believe I shared that on a caption on Mother's Day. I just want the best for my children. And so yeah, so when my son left, it was a little hard, but at the same time I said, hey, this is what he wants, and if that's what he wants, I will give it to him. So I think as he gets older, and matures, he will know and understand that I just wanted the best. Teenage years are challenging, and I feel like until you get there, you don't know what you're gonna get. You know? But overall, I feel at peace in my heart. I feel fine. And you guys have seen, for those of you that have been here forever since I started this, you have seen the type of mother I am. And that continues to be the same everywhere I go. I feel like I keep it very 100. And what you what you see is what you get. Pretty much. What you see is what you get. And yeah, I don't have the energy to pretend to be something that I'm not. I just, oh my gosh, I can't even think, how do people do that? How do people like put on a mask and then pretend to be something, and then you think that person is one thing, but in reality they're not? It's very challenging for me to understand that, to be honest. I hope you guys enjoy the new setup. I hope you guys are ready to see more videos. I'm excited to share. I will be sharing fashion, home decor. I have a few unboxings for you guys. I'm excited for those. And yeah, so just stick around, enjoy the ride. We'll do some vlogs. It is a little challenging when you have little ones to film and stuff, but I think I found the perfect time for me to film and I can create content for you guys. Alright, I'll let you go so that I can film my video showing you guys how I will decorate this shelf. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!